to the Tailored Classroom. I'm Taylor, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a question within your Google Classroom. To begin, you're going to click Classwork, which will bring you to the Classwork section of your Google Classroom. Then you're going to click Create, and then you're going to click Question. You're now brought to a new page, similar to if you're going to create an assignment. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to write, what is your favorite color? So you ask your question there. As you can see, there's short answer or multiple choice. If you click short answer, that is all you need to do. You can add in your instructions if you'd like, and then you can go ahead and ask your question to the students. However, if you'd like it to be multiple choice, you click multiple choice and you give the students the options that you'd like them to choose between. You can do many different choices. As you can see, it says add option. You can add as many as you would like. You can also move them around if you'd like them to be in a different order. And you can also get rid of them if you don't like them. So there's plenty of options there. You do add the options in, the students click it, and then you will see both of their responses for both multiple choice and short answer when they submit their question. In a previous video, I walked through this section right here. When you go to assign this assignment for the student, you choose the classroom you want it to go to, what students should be assigned the assignment, the points, the due date, the topic, and then students can see class summary. So if you want the students to be able to see what other students have chosen, you click this. If you choose short answer, you can choose for the students to reply to each other and if students can edit their own answer. I always choose both of these. I like the students to be able to respond back and forth to each other, so I leave both of these checked because I like them to be able to edit their answer if they need to. Once you're done, you just click Ask and it will go in a specific topic that you choose, or you could schedule it right here. I have done that in a previous video, so I will link that below if you're interested in checking that out. So that is how you create a question within Google Classroom. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.